Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3D formula in Excel. What is the concept of 3D formula? It is used to calculate data from multiple worksheets. In this Excel file, we have the expense for a different financial year. We have expense for financial year 2019, 2020, and financial year 2021. In total expense sheet, we want to summarize and calculate the total expense from all three financial years. Before using of the 3D formula, I have to tell you that the data in each sheet should be the same location and with the same format. There are two ways in order to calculate 3D formula. The first one is the manual method. In order to use the manual method, you have to write equal from your keyboard, go to the financial year 2019, select the first cell and press the plus button from your keyboard, go to the financial year 2020, again select the cell, press the plus button. Now go to the financial year 2021 and again select the first cell that you want to start calculation from. Press the enter from your keyboard. If you drag and drop the first cell to the bottom, all the category expense will be automatically calculated. So this was the first method. The second method is to use the formula. So I'm going to remove the calculation and again you have to write the equal from your keyboard, go to the financial year 2019, select the first cell that you want to start calculation from, and from this time onward I'm going to use the formula sum. Now instead of exclamation mark and single quotation, you have to write colon. Now go to the last sheet, which is financial year 2021, and again you have to remove the single quotation, and if you press the enter from your keyboard, then automatically everything will be calculated. But I have to remind you something: use only one single quotation mark because you want to calculate a range of data, and at the end only one single quotation and one exclamation mark should be there. If you drag and drop this formula to the bottom, all the category of expense will be calculated from three different financial years. The beauty of this formula is that if you insert any worksheet in the middle, the formula will be automatically applied in that worksheet also. But if you insert any new worksheet at the beginning, the formula will not work out because you have already limited the formula from financial year 2019 to financial year 2021. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was useful for you.